The main thing, corona is a virus, and for every virus or every viral disease, there is answer in homeopathy. Hello friends, good morning. I am Dr. Chandraprasad Mahanto. Today's topic is, should we take preventive homeopathic medicine for corona? Friends, I am not going to tell you in detail about what is corona. My topic is limited to the preventive medicines of coronavirus. So according to government records, more than 50 lakhs Indians returned India during January to March 25. During this period, those 15 lakhs plus people came to India. They became carriers. Some were kept in quarantine. Some did not cooperate the health department, and they non-cooperated. So corona is spreading gradually in India in spite of lockdown of last 21 days. Then government gradually decided it to extend till May 3, and hope that during this period corona will be fully controlled in India. Now the question arises, those 15 lakh plus people came to India. Most of them were corona carriers. They may not have corona symptoms, they may not have positive reports, but still most of them are corona carriers. Corona is such a virus which is circulated in whole world, in all the countries, in all places, in an inactive form, in less or more percentage. But the recent corona, the active form COVID-19, became more dangerous to human race. There was no any test method, even now less test kits. So the main thing, corona is a virus, and for every virus or every viral disease, there is answer in homeopathy. We have the experience of hundreds of years that homeopathy can cure and prevent all the viral diseases like mumps, chickenpox, smallpox, measles, dengue, chikungunya, etc. So many viral diseases and viral fevers. During last 30 years of my experience, I have cured so many viral fever patients, so many cold cough patients, so many seasonal cold attacks, and all these were the viral infections. Corona is just like a flu, like influenza and other viral disease. Corona attacks slowly with cold, cough and fever. It may severely attack nose to lungs. It may severely break down our respiratory mechanism in asthma, bronchitis, or pneumonia patients, or in old age lungs infectious patients. So we have to increase our immunity, resistance power of the body, autonomous healing power of the body to prevent any bacterial or viral disease. Now lockdown is the most essential method, the vital factor to break corona, and treatment in the hospital beds is the second major essential to save the patients. But it is told that prevention is better than cure. 130 crore people of India cannot be treated or given vaccine or fully locked down for 3 or 6 months, it is quite impossible. So, the simplest method is to increase our body immunity against the coronavirus or any other virus. If our body is not susceptible to that disease, not susceptible to corona, and our body has sufficient resistance power, then we can protect ourselves from indirectly transmitted coronavirus. Touching directly or keeping in contact directly with the patient may attack anyone, no doubt. But keeping social distance, keeping distance from the patients, and increasing immunity capacity is our only solution to prevent corona from our country. Homeopathy is renowned for its preventive medicines for so many diseases. Now, homeopathy can take major role in India to prevent corona. Ayush Department of India has declared a homeopathic medicine Arsenic Alb 30 to be used as prophylactic or preventive medicine for corona. They have advised to take Arsenic Alb for 3 days to become resistant to corona for 1 month. After 1 month, it should be repeated again for 3 days. I have planned a chart of homeopathic medicine which can prevent corona and tackle the grave situation of corona in India. Mainly, I have suggested to take 3 medicines in rotation in 15 days interval. These 3 medicines are: number 1, Arsenicum album 30, number 2, Gelsemium 200, number 3, Influenzinum 200. So let us talk how to take these 3 medicines in rotation. At first, number 1 medicine Arsenic Alb 30. Take Arsenicum album 30, 3 to 5 globules according to age twice daily for 3 days. Or adults may take 1 drop twice daily for 3 days. Then after 15 days, take number 2 medicine, that is Gelsemium 200. Children should take 3 to 5 globules twice daily for 3 days. Adults 1 drop twice daily for 3 days. Then after 15 days, number 3 medicine, that is Influenzinum 200. Adults 1 drop twice daily 3 days. Children 3 to 5 globules twice daily 3 days. In this way, one should repeat these 3 medicines alternatively in 15 days interval for 3 months. And during 3 months, our body will be immunized, our body will be resistant to flu, attack of influenza, and attack of corona. Also, I suggest to take 3 other mother tinctures in the intervals, which will keep our body more immunized or strongly resistant to such viral attack like cold, cough, flu, influenza, and corona. So these 3 mother tinctures are: number 1, Ocimum sanctum Q. Number 2 is Tinospora Q. Number 3 is Embolica Q. Number 1 should be taken 20 drops after tiffin in the morning. Number 2 should be taken 20 drops after meal in the afternoon. Number 3 should be taken 20 drops with half ounce of water in the evening after food. So number 1 is in the morning, number 2 to be taken in the afternoon, and number 3 in the evening after food. These 3 medicines should be taken after food, not in empty stomach, and 20 drops should be added with 1 ounce or half ounce of water. These medicines should be continued at least for 1 month. 2 to 3 months continuation of these 3 mother tinctures will give more and more result, and our body will be resistant to malaria and many other infections or many other discomfort of our various body systems. So I advise those who are cautious, who are homeopathic lovers, who want to increase their immunity capacity of the body to prevent the viral diseases, bacterial diseases, and many other systemic body condition, they must take these medicines for at least 2 to 3 months, and they should leave tension, fear of corona attack. Take homeopathic medicine, be comfortable, and pass your time joyfully and comfortably. Thank you all. I request to like my video, to subscribe my videos, to motivate me to create more and more videos related to health and homeopathy in future. Thank you.